Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to have a quick review of the Crave Protection Series dual guard cases for Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So we'll talk about the design, build quality, durability, features, and all of the pros and cons of these cases along with a quick unboxing as well. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. Before we start, first of all, let me tell you that the Crave Protection Series dual guard cases come in plenty of color options. The one we got here are Slate and the Berry. But if you visit the link given in the description of this video, then you will find other color options as well. So now let's start the unboxing. So here we got the Berry color and here is the Slate. So let's talk about the design and build quality first. The very first thing you will notice is the texture on the back of the case here. It's going to contribute in the overall grip. As you can see, it's providing very nice friction and grip while holding the case here. Here we got the Crave branding. At the bottom we got the precise cutouts for the S Pen, speaker grill, USB Type-C port. At the top we got the cutout for the microphone. You can see we got this texture all around the case. Here you can see we got different color accent for the exterior and the interior of the case we got here. And the reason behind this is that this case is called dual guard because it is a combination of polycarbonate and TPU. So here on the back we got the polycarbonate and the interior is made of soft TPU and you can split them easily. So you can just take out these two parts. Here you can see this is the solid polycarbonate. We got this wireless charging module. We will see how good the performance of it is going to be. Here we got the soft TPU case. On the interior, once again, you will find these zigzag lines that's going to provide nice shock absorption to protect the device if you drop it accidentally. If you want, you can just put this TPU case on your smartphone like this. So it will reduce the overall bulk of the case, but the drawback here is that the durability will be reduced a bit and the wireless charging will not work because it is embedded in the polycarbonate part of the case. But if you want to use it, the polycarbonate part, then you can just put it on top of the TPU part, apply a bit of pressure, and we are good to go, as you can see here. So here, if you have a look, you can see you got this nice protection to the camera module. The edges are raised a lot to provide the protection to the camera module. The cutouts are perfect and very well aligned with all of the ports and slots we got here. Same goes with the top. And if you have a look from this angle, you can see that the edges of the case are raised a lot from the front side to provide protection to the display of your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra if you drop it accidentally on a flat surface. And once again, it is providing very nice grip while holding the device. So it is providing nice protection without adding much bulk to the device. Here we got the Slate version. Once again, you can see we got this different color accent. On the Berry one, actually we got three shades. So here we got the color for the polycarbonate, then we got this different shade of berry in the TPU part, and we got this dark colored black color buttons and keys. But on the Slate part, it is the TPU part is black, but once again still it is giving very nice contrast because of the different color accent. As you can see here, it's looking quite beautiful and premium as well. Talking about the keys, they are very tactile, very clicky, and it works perfectly every single time. Now talking about the wireless charging capability, so you can see it is working fine, fast wireless charging. So there is no issue when it comes to wireless charging. It is working perfectly, as you can see here. So if you are planning to buy a nice case for your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra with nice protection without spending too much money, then the Crave Protection Series dual guard cases are a very nice option for you because it provides very nice grip, overall protection to the device, especially to the camera module. It comes in many different color options. We got dual layer protection with a combination of polycarbonate and TPU, and it comes with wireless charging capability as well. I have shared the link in the description of this video, or you can click the one appearing at the top right corner to buy these cases if you are interested. And if you enjoyed watching this video, if you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.